Welcome to the Affiliate Marketing Beginner's Playbook, a strategic guide for building a highly profitable and scalable media business from the ground up. The core of an affiliate hustle involves audience generation, creating highly targeted content assets, tracking links, achieving conversions, and earning commissions. Affiliate marketing myths include earning passive income by simply posting a link. The reality is that it requires building a real media business with relentless effort in researching, publishing, and optimizing. The top 6 reasons to start include the high upside potential, the ultra-low barrier to entry, and the absence of fulfillment logistics. It's also location independent, has semi-passive potential, and offers infinite diversity in niches. Building an affiliate moat involves 4 key steps: building topical authority, picking a niche with high commissions, answering search intent with helpful assets, and continuously optimizing content based on data. A minimal startup requires domain and hosting, an email newsletter tool, content creation tools, basic gear, and compliance. The total estimated capital is between $1 and $100. The sweat equity curve shows that significant effort is required initially during channel setup and consistent publishing. This effort gradually decreases as earnings and passive income begin to rise, leading to maintenance and scale phases. Special note, achieving the maintenance phase requires considerable sweat equity and is not easy. Even for seasoned affiliate marketers, this takes time to learn what works and what does not. Trial and error and learning in this phase are key. Phase 1. Foundation starts with ideation and niche selection. Next is the setup of a primary channel and branding. Then publish cornerstone content and set up the back end for tracking and link management. Phase 2. Growth and scale involves consistent publishing, updating old content, and using the 6-12-week grind. Capture emails with lead magnets and scale by expanding content clusters, testing merchants, and outsourcing tasks. For success, focus on content targeting specific intent, only promoting products you'd recommend, and tracking earnings per click. Ensure a good user experience and build an email list early to mitigate platform risk. The automation toolkit includes SiteGuru for SEO audits, Cut Me Short for link management, and Happier Leads for identifying site visitors and lead generation. These tools are active and provide value to your affiliate business. The Strategy Library provides community PDF downloads like Affiliate Marketing from Scratch and My Journey to Over $2,000. Web resources include affiliate networks, SEO communities, creator platforms, and CRO/A/B testing groups. Accelerators include courses like the Twitter X Cash Machine module and video case studies such as How Affiliate Marketing Becomes a 2K in 60 Days Side Hustle, detailing low-cost, part-time scaling strategies. The HustleGrower engine synthesis shows that low-cost input and sweat equity combined with high-intent content assets and smart tool multipliers result in a trusted, semi-passive, diversified revenue channel. Do not build in silos. High-leverage side hustles are better built with accountability partners. Share this playbook with friends or colleagues who want to break out of the traditional income trap. Ready to start your next income stream? Discover, track, and grow your side hustle at HustleGrower.com. Access the tools, download free ebooks, and start building your affiliate media business today.